This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend. The end of our elaborate plans. The end of everything that stands. The end, no safety or surprise. The end, I'll never look into your eyes again. Can you picture what will be so limitless and free, desperately in need of some stranger's hand in a desperate land? Lost in a romance, wilderness of pain, and all the children are insane. All the children are insane.
We're here at the Yolo County Fair here in scenic Woodland, California for the final Malicious Monster Truck show of the entire year. But not at this venue. You see, earlier this year when we last left you here, we were at the Yolo County Fair and we had monster truck action here in Woodland, but for the final show of the year, the Yolo County Fair has decided they will not be hosting the event, which I know is heartbreaking to many, but do not fear. There will be Malicious Monster Truck action here in Woodland, California, here on November 5th, 2022. I can guarantee you this because we've brought a show to Woodland. Whether they want it here, whether they want it elsewhere, you're gonna see it, so stay tuned. As promised, here we are. Campbell Park is the host for the final Malicious Monster Truck Show tour of the entire year. We're going to introduce you to this incredible track, the most daring and risky track they've built the entire year, saving it for you guys for the final event. Let's take a look. You can see right here an elevated starting line, something that you have not seen at a Malicious Monster Truck show yet until today. They go over a pair of crushed cars, 4 in a row, go down to no man's land across 2 more crushed cars, flying down the track across these 2 different car paths across the finish line. It's an old school straight line drag racing. I know people say that's the real drag racing. Well, guess what? We're giving you what you want. We're giving you the best monster truck racing of the entire year here at Campbell Park, Woodland, California. We're going down right now.
Let's hear some noise for Monster Truck Hall of Famer Terry Woodcock and Cyclops. He's a black and green destruction machine of Myles Parker and Identity Theft. The young gun looking to electrify the competition. Let's make some noise. Dawson Rayas. He comes from Adelaide, Australia. He is Nick Jones in Spitfire. Sponsored by CD Payne and Miller Wilders from Port Orchard, Washington. Let's give it up for Bill Payne and Rockstar!
For the land of the free and the land of the brave.
All right, let's drop their seat. Your winner is Hillbilly! Here comes their seat. Here we go! Your winner is all right, let's drop their seat. All right. Your winner is Identity Theft. The light goes green. Your winner is Rockstar. Here comes their seat. Here we go. Your winner is all right, let's drop their seat. All right. Your winner is Identity Theft. Right, here comes their seat to the line. The light goes green. Your winner is Identity Theft.
All right, now is everybody's favorite part, freestyle. The track crew has built 3 of the biggest jumps you've ever seen on a Malicious Monster Truck track. Each truck's gonna have 3 chances to hit each of these jumps and to put on the best show they possibly can for the judges. We have 2 professional judges scoring this competition, so the max score you can get is a 20, the lowest you can get is a 2. It's each from 1 to 10. So this is gonna be a really intense freestyle competition. They've increased the angle of the starting line. It's gonna be just like racing, but they can be flying down the straightaway onto these jumps. We're gonna see how they do. Never know what's gonna happen.
noise. Let's make some noise for that!
And so concludes the final Malicious Monster Truck show of the entire year of 2022 here in Woodland, California. The track crew's already torn down the track, the trucks are stuffed into their haulers, and the fans have left satisfied. Here in Woodland, California, whether they wanted it or not, they got the best monster truck action all year long. What was an incredibly destructive and incredibly exciting event, Myles Parker in Identity Theft doubled down. Did what many thought he couldn't do, but Colfax, California has something to prove here in Woodland, California. We want to thank you guys for tuning in so much. I know a lot of work went into this. A lot of people really wanted this event to happen. We made sure it happened, made sure it was great. I hope you guys had a good time. So, Malicious Monster Truck Tour is done for the year. They're going back up to Port Orchard, Washington. Get those trucks fixed up. Get them fixed up for 2023. Hope to see you all there. See you next time.